Yo, if Live Good doesn't excite you, don't join. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I'm gonna get straight to it. Like, Live Good is popping right now, right? People are joining this thing every single day. There's thousands of videos on YouTube talking about how great this opportunity is. Live Good is the best network marketing opportunity ever. People are talking about the compensation plan and the products, and this is just the greatest thing ever. It's changing the game, right? That's what everybody's talking about. But also, there's a lot of people talking about Live Good in a negative way. A lot of people saying, man, Live Good ain't all that. Live Good is a scam. You can't make no money off of Live Good. A lot of people are actually quitting Live Good after being involved with it a month, right? Or even a couple weeks. Some people have actually quit Live Good. I'm talking about they took the time to log into their account and cancel their $10 a month membership. That's how disappointed they were at Live Good, right? In my opinion, the people that are going to actually be successful with Live Good and actually making some decent amount of money are the people that are excited about this opportunity. Straight up. I really do believe that the people that are just kind of like, oh, I'm in it, you know what I'm saying? And I want to make money with it, but I'm not really, it's cool. Somebody told me this was a dope opportunity. Somebody told me this is a good idea to sign up, right? And I casually post about it. I don't really care. So these are the people that's actually going to quit Live Good after 1 or 2 months of being a member, or they're going to be the people that make very, very little money with Live Good, and they're just going to complain about the opportunity. You can actually see it yourself. Anytime you see anyone talking about how they're making money with Live Good, or they're talking about the products, they're extremely excited, right? They talk about it like it's the greatest thing ever, right? This little $10 a month program, these people are throwing conferences and having webinars. They're wearing Live Good hats and Live Good shirts, right? And I'm not saying you got to go that far with it and be that extreme, but like you should feel like this energy as a Live Good member, as a Live Good affiliate. You should feel this optimism like every day, right? You should be excited to promote Live Good, and whatever style you promote it in, you should be excited about it, period. So I'm telling you right now in this video, if you're watching this as somebody who maybe been on the fence about joining Live Good, honestly, I'm gonna tell you right now, if you're not excited, if the products, if the comp plan doesn't excite you, don't join, right? Because if all of the videos you're watching and taking the Live Good tour and watching these webinars and the Friday webinars and the Thursday webinars, if that don't motivate you, if that don't excite you, then actually becoming a member, you're not gonna be excited, and you're probably not gonna make the money that some of the leaders are making, right? This is just my damn opinion, right? But like, be excited about it, right? Like, I do other opportunities, but Live Good, I always say that's like my number one opportunity. Why? Because I like the company, I like the products, I like the compensation plan, and I like the future that I think that Live Good has, right? As a company and as an online business opportunity, right? So I'm excited about Live Good. This is why I make so many videos talking about Live Good. This is why I have no problem telling people, hey, I'm with Live Good. No problem. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm excited. So if you are somebody who is excited about the Live Good opportunity and you haven't yet joined, this is the time to join right now. Jump on your boys' team because we are popping. All right? Click that first link in the description and I will see you on the other side.